Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a chaotic fan sketchbook art styles with PPTI. So PPTI is a simple AI creative platform that will let you to generate any AI content like maybe generate any image, redesign images, and then maybe create any short drama and many more. And then in here, we will use this tool to transform your photo into a chaotic fan sketchbook art. And if you want to try this tool yourself, just make sure to click the link in the description and pin comment below to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pipit AI like this, and then go to Image Studio, go to AI Designs, and then just upload your photo that you want to transform like this. And then next, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this, you can just copy my prompt, and then next just change the any color with your favorite color, the color that you like. For example, I want to choose blue like this, and then after that just choose your AI model, and then choose your ratio, and then resolutions, and after that just click submit. And okay, like this you can see your photo will be transformed into a chaotic sketchbook styles artwork that filled with the fun art energy like this. I think it's so aesthetic and I think it's so cool. And okay, maybe that's it. Next, maybe you can just try this tool yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.